As part of troubleshooting of EC BITX, I am trying to see what is inside this PTT mic. This is the PTT and this is the reverse side and this is the front side. It's a CB microphone, that is what is written here. I'm going to remove these 3 screws and see what is inside. This is the inside view of the PTT mic. This is the PTT and these are the connections going into the microphone. I do not want to dismantle it further because I am afraid that I may damage it. Trying to figure out the mechanism by which this PTT works. This is what happens when you press this. So I think that correspondingly moves this lever. This lever, you can see, this can go inside. So that is probably the one which is making the contact inside this switch. This should be the switch. So when this goes inside, this makes contact. That's the way I presume. Center pin of the PTT mic. This is the center pin which I had shown in a previous video that it is connected to the PTT line. So I am checking in this switch. You can see the continuity. So this is the center pin connection in this switch. This is probably the sleeve. There is no connection here. This is connection of the sleeve. Here tip is not connected here. Now I'll see what happens. This is the connection of the central pin. This has no connection now. You can see that this is the central pin. The central pin is connected here and this is the ground. There is no connection between central pin and the ground. But when I press the PTT, or rather I activate this lever, this central pin gets connected to the ground. That is how it triggers the PTT of the radio. I have placed the PTT button on this side of the opened cabinet of the PTT enclosure. You can see that when I press it here, that lever of that switch is being activated. You can see that. That's how the PTT works.